Hello everyone, welcome to my online class and I am present with grammar section of chapter number 10. The meeting. And this is the second part of this grammar section. Okay. And remember that in previous video we have learned about adverb, definition of adverb and some sentences using adverb. So this video it to be continued. Okay. So already I told in previous video, in next video we will do these things continuously. So this is the second part of this grammar section of this chapter, adverb. Already I taught most of the adverbs end in ly, yes or no? And already I taught कि when we add ly in adjectives to form adverb. But this is so easy to find the how can we find the adverb word of given sentence. But in some adjectives end in y. How can we make this adjective to form adverb? Okay, so first I am going to write the rules. I am going to write some rules. How can we change that adjective word into adverb? So first I am going to write some adjective end in y. Some adjectives end in y. drop मतलब मैंने लिखा है कि some adjectives that end in y. Drop the y. Drop this y को drop कर देना है and take ILY. Okay. ILY to form adverb. To form adverbs. Okay. So हम लोगों को क्या मैंने लिखा some adjectives that end in ly, end in y, drop the y and take ILY to form adverbs. मतलब हम लोग देखते हैं कि बहुत से ऐसे वर्ड है, बहुत से ऐसे एडजेक्टिव वर्ड है जो y से खत्म होते हैं। अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे, तो वैसे वर्ड को वैसे एडजेक्टिव वर्ड में जब हमको उसको एडवर्ब में चेंज करना, व्हेन यू वांट टू चेंज दैट एडजेक्टिव वर्ड व्हिच इज एंड विद y, first we have to drop the y and take ILY to form adverbs. For example, now I am going to explain these things clearly through some examples. Okay. adjective adverb. Adjective, how can we change adjective from adjective to adverb? The word that end in y. Okay, so first is happy, happy. Second is heavy, happy. Next is greedy, and one more. Okay, so happy, one more, lazy. So you can see that I have made four different words, and each and every word end in y. Yes or no? ये सारा वर्ड y से खत्म हो रहा है ना? How can we form? How can we make this adjective word to adverb? Already I told कि drop y and take ILY to form adverb. Okay, so happy. What is the adverb word of this adjective happy? Happily. 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 You can see that ILY. Next word is happy. Happy adjective. So what is the verb of happy? Happily. HEAVILY. You can see that. Drop y and take. I have taken ILY. Come to the third word. Greedy. So drop this y and we will take ILY. Okay. To change or to form adverb. GREEDILY. Greatly. Okay. Next is lazy. LAZ. Drop y, take ILY. So lazy. So students, this is adjective. Each and every word in end. End in y. And this is adverb of this adjective. You can see the difference. Y drop, take. I have taken ILY. So this is how can we change? Adjective to adverb? Rule and regulation to clear this concept or to avoid some confusion. We will do this exercise. We will do some exercise. Question is add ly or ILY to these adjectives to form adverb. It means you can see that I have written five words only 5 words, and this is the all words are adjective, and we will add ly or ILY to form this adjective to adverbs. Okay. So first word is lazy. And already I told and already I explained that adjective and when the adjective words end in y, we drop y and add or take ILY to form adverb. So we will write LAZILY. Second is rough. So you can see that in the second word is not end with Y. So this is simple. To form this adjective to adverb, we just add ly. Okay, so we will write ROUGHLY. Lazy, lazily. Rough, roughly. Now come to the third word, dim. And already dim, this is so simple. We will add ly. Dimly, DIMLY, dimly. Now come to the word number 4. You can see that sleepy, and this sleepy end with Y. So once again we drop this Y and take ILY to form adverb. So we will write SLEEPILY, sleepily. Okay, sleepy. Now come to the last word, easy. And once again you can see that easy also end with Y. Once again we drop that Y and take ILY. So adverb of easy will be easily. EASILY, easily. So you can see that we can change. How can we change this adjective to adverb? Only simple, add with ly or ILY. So students, in this video is enough. Okay, and we will do the practice more and more to clear this concept. Okay, thank you.